Hi and welcome to my channel Sophralicious TV. This is a unboxing video of the Soap and Glory Bubble Act gift set in collaboration with Zuki Turner. Now this big discount normally comes out in December from Boots, and I paid £30 for this tin and it's worth £80 worth of content. Okay, so the first item is the Rush Hour Sensational Dry Shampoo. Then we have the Clean On Me Creamy Moisture Shower Gel. Then we have the Peaches and Clean Deep Cleansing Milk. Then we have the Hand Food Hydrating Hand Cream. And this is the Thick and Fast High Definition Collagen Coat Mascara in black. And it has a fluffy wand, as you can see there. And this is the Original Pink Body Spray. So it has that typical Soap and Glory scent, which is nice to wear. This is the Melted Talented Dry Skin Balm, which says you can use it on your lips, your knees, your feet, and elbows. And this is the Scrub of Your Life Smoothing Body Buffer. This is the Sexy Mother Pucker Lip Gloss in Bare Enough. And this is the Righteous Butter, a body butter. And this is the Radiance Boosting Mask, which contains vitamin C. And finally, we have the Original Pink Fizzable Bath Balm, which looks really pretty. Okay, so that is the contents of the Soap and Glory Bubble Act gift set. If you've bought it, let me know what you think. And thanks for watching this video. Please thumbs up this video, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Laters.